Hi, in this video I'll be showing you these two Panasonic microwaves. First of all, we've got the NNST21 and I've got the NNGT23. And what I want to today is to show you around the microwaves, some of the features and benefits that they offer. Just for a start, I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, give us a quick thumbs up, click subscribe. I know initially the colour difference, it looks like one of the main differences, but there is actually something else that I'll show you in a moment. As far as the dimensions, they're actually exactly the same across the two models. So you're looking at just over 43 centimetres, around 17 inches wide. As far as the height, you're looking at 25.5 centimetres, or around 10 inches. And the depth, so front to back, you are looking at 33 centimetres, or 13 inches. And as far as the internal sizes, you are looking at 27.5 centimetres, or around 10 3/4 inches wide. The height, you are looking at 17 centimetres, or around 6 3/4 inches. And the depth, so front to back, you're looking at 26 centimetres, or just over 10 inches. As you can tell from the keypad here, this model, the NNST, is the microwave only model. So all you need to do is, when you want to use it, you just select the power that you want. So it goes 800, 500, 400, 200, and then 100, and it goes all the way back to 800 watts. And then once you've selected the power that you want, then you just select the time on the right hand side here. So if you wanted it on for example, 2.5 minutes, then you just press that twice, and then press that 3 times. So you've got 2.5 minutes. You have got an option on here for quick 30 seconds. That could be really good if you just got something that needs a 30-second boost. You've also got the different options on here. So things like the defrost option. So let's just cancel that. So if you needed to defrost something, then you've got different levels of defrost in there. Also, you've got the auto option, and you've actually got 8 different options depending on what you wanted to cook. So the first one, this is the chilled meal. Then the second one is frozen meal. Third one is fresh vegetables. Number 4 is frozen vegetables. Number 5 is fresh fish. Number 6, jacket potato. Number 7, fresh chicken pieces. And then number 8 is casserole rice. And then once you've selected the food type that you want to cook with, then just press the start button. And then all you need to do is input the weight. In the instructions, it shows you the minimum and the maximum weight that you can cook with that program. And then once you've selected the desired weight, then just press start and it will cook for the amount of time that is required. Nice and easy to open the door. All you need to do is just press the button and then it will open like that. And as you can see, you've got the glass turntable. And as far as the dimension on the turntable, on this model, you're looking at 25 centimetres, or just under 10 inches wide. And then as we go on to the NNGT model, the main difference in this one, apart from the colour as I mentioned earlier, is you've actually got a grill on this. So the main advantage, if you were cooking, for example, something like a jacket potato, then on the NNST model, although it will cook it all the way through, you're not going to get a nice crispy skin. Whereas with this model, the NNGT, then you can get a nice crispy skin. Personally, I would much prefer to go for this kind of model, but I suppose it really depends what you are going to either warm up or cook inside. The way it operates and the way you set the program is pretty much the same as the NNST model that I just showed you. But down the left hand side here, the main difference is, as well as having the microwave power, you've got the grill as well. So you just press that depending on which grill settings you wanted. So it goes between 1 and 3. And also you've got the combi. So again, that would be a really good option if you wanted to use it for things like a jacket potato, where it's going to cook it inside nicely, but also you're going to get the nice crispy skin. As we open the door on this model, you will notice that you do actually get a grill rack with it as well. So that can be ideal if you wanted to just raise something up nearer to the grill elements at the top here. Also, the diameter of the turntable is exactly the same as on the NNST model at 25 centimetres, or around 10 inches. A couple other things to mention. As you'd expect, the capacity on these models is exactly the same at 20 litres. Also, the microwave side is exactly the same at 800 watts each. But on this model, the NNGT, as mentioned earlier, you have got the 1000 watt grill as well. If you're thinking of purchasing one of these models, I've provided a couple of links below to show you where to get them at competitive prices. Hope you enjoyed this quick video on the two Panasonic microwaves, the NNST21 and the NNGT23. I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just give us a quick thumbs up, click subscribe, leave any comments below. Do always ask for comments, whether it's good or bad about the video. I know I've not given you a demonstration as far as cooking or warming something up, but I just wanted to give you an overall view of the two microwaves and what they have to offer. If you have got one of these models, or a model similar to this in the Panasonic range, let me know what you think about it, because I'd always appreciate the honest feedback. Thanks for joining me today.